Welcome to the Holiday Mass Challenge, the third edition orientations and program here. So today we want to look at how the whole program, the 21-day Mass Challenge, will go, and then it won't take much of our time, but it's necessary for us to know how everything will go because we have some new students that are not part of it last time. So we need to uh, let them know how everything works. So in this case, we have just three things to discuss. The first one is the challenge structure, then the daily activities. And we also look at how to log in for the quiz. So we start with the first part here, which is the structure of the challenge. It is a 3 week program which comprises of 21 days, and the first day is today, and which is Sunday, 15th 12, 2024. It's meant for orientation, introduction, so that we need to everybody to have their details before we commence fully tomorrow morning. So tomorrow we have the video, the first set of video will go out in the morning. I was still going to show you how the daily activities and the timing will look like subsequently. So as you can see, we have the first day video and quiz, and third day, blah blah blah, till Sunday. Sunday is strictly for weekly test. So this is where you learn. You're going to show what you have learned throughout the week for the rest for the 6 days of classes. All right. So then the second week we have this as well. Sorry. So we have this as well. So for the second week, so the second week, Monday, we start with the same thing. But on the 25th of December, we're going to have break, and the 26th, we also have break. Friday, we continue. Then Sunday, we're going to have our weekly quiz. So the weekly quiz will be the culmination of the first week and the second week. It's going to combine everything together. I hope that is clear, right? So it's not only meant for this week, but for the two. So we don't want you to forget. We don't want the children to forget what they have learned in the first week and the second week. So we're going to add everything together for them to do so that they can revise what they have learned, because mathematics is not a subject that you can just learn it in a day and forget about it that you have learned it. No, it's not like that. It must be repetitive, something that you do on a daily basis. You continue doing it every time. So that is the essence of this. So weekly quiz. Then the last part, which is the last week, is this. So we have on the 30th, we have class, but we have a break on, we only have two classes left. We will have a break on the 1st of January. Then on the 2nd and the 3rd of January is meant for the final quiz, which is going to contain everything that we have learned from day 1 till the 31st of December. I hope that is clear. So, and finally, on the 21 day, which is going to be Saturday, 4th of January 2025, we're going to announce the results to know who is the winner in each of the classes. All right, so that is that we have for the challenge structure. So we now need to look at the daily activities. How is it going to look like? So in the morning by 9 a.m. West African time, Nigerian time, we're going to release the videos and the quiz link. So the link to the videos and the quiz will be released in the morning. So your children have the opportunity to watch the video as many times as possible and attempt the quiz during within that day. Well, once it is 12 midnight on that day, the quiz will expire. So, and this time around there is no extension of the quiz. No, the uncle, no. You have to. We have to be disciplined on this. So it's very, very important that we have to be disciplined on this. So when it is 12 midnight and you're unable to do your quiz, that means you're going to score 0 automatically. So we are learning so many things in this program. We are learning how to be time conscious, and we are also learning with speed and accuracy. So many things. It's not only mathematics. You must learn how to keep it to time, and how to follow the process in order to achieve the desired result. So that is that we have on the daily activities, and we also have the following day after the quiz and the video, we're going to release in the morning. We're going to release the correction to the quiz, and we're going to release the correction to the quiz. Release correction to the quiz, and then your child will have the opportunity to watch the correction video to learn from their mistakes. You understand? And if they scored 100% in their quiz, there's no problem in watching the correction. So they are still going to learn some things there. So this is coming barely 2 hours before the day activities. So that's that we have on that. Then I talked about uh, that we've talked about weekly quiz. So weekly quiz, which is on Sunday, we only have 2 Sundays in this program. So the first Sunday, the second Sunday. So the link to that will be released by 12 noon. To read by 12 noon. So this will give your child or your children the opportunity to revise. I've said it. They have to revise because it's going to cover all what they have learned. And the final quiz will also cover everything that they have learned. So the next stage now is for us to uh, learn how to log into our quiz, and that is access to quiz. So there are 2 options to access the quiz. So it's either you access it via your email or quiz link that will be shared in the group, in the class group. So the first one, I'm going to start with that one, and I'm going to use my laptop. You can either use laptop, tablet, and mobile phone, but laptop is preferable. But if you don't have it, there's no problem. You can make use of mobile phone perfectly well. Exactly. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do that on both laptop and a mobile phone. Exactly. So tablet and laptop, they're almost similar. So the same thing. So once you learn how to use it, it's okay. So we're going to start with uh, the use of laptop and email. If you submit your email, so you can get the link via your email, right? Good. So that is what we're going to have there. So let's move down to that stage now. All right. So here is my email, and then I'm now in my inbox, right? So once the quiz is assigned, you get the notification on your email, and this is what you're going to have. As you can see, we have no reply. So that's quiz assignment, and the name of the teacher will be there. That's my name there. So I'll click on it to see what I have inside. So when you open it, this is what you're going to have. And then, so what you are meant to do here is that, so it show dear Yakub, your name will be there. So a test has been assigned to you. So it will show you the topic and a link. So what you are going to do, the purpose of the email is that once you click on this link, there won't be need for you to insert your password before you access the quiz. So let's look at how it's going to look like. So I'll click on it, and let's see what is going to happen now. So it's coming up. It should take some seconds. So it depends on your network. All right. So network is a bit slow now. So let it come up. It's taking too long. Let me. Okay, it's coming up now. All right. So as you can see, this is it here. So you can see it will still show the name of the teacher, the class. You can say I named this class special class because just for the test. So student name should show your name. Then it's going to show the time. As you can see, once you log in, the time will start. So the time allotted there is 30 minutes. And you can see the time is already going. Once you click on the link and it takes you to this place, the time starts instantly reading. So you now start solving and be picking your answer. Start solving and be picking your answer. So I will pick the answer randomly now and show you how the result will look like, because it's going to display your results as soon as you finish the test. So let me be fast with this. Just pick it randomly. All right. So So as we are doing it, it's showing me that I've completed it. So, and you'll be looking at the time. This is when you are using your laptop, all right? So it's quite different from when you are using phone. I'll still show you how to do that shortly. So now I've completed it. So the next thing you can see that I've not clicked on finish. If you finish, if you when you complete it and you did click on finish and you allow it to end like that. So for example, I can go back. Look at this. I can go back to change some things. All right. So once I click by to come back, I can go back, I can go back, I can go back. So, and if I want to finish it, I'll just go next, next, next. Then I'll click on finish. All right. So once you, if you did not finish, maybe something happened to your network or whatever. So when it is time, it will automatically submit for you. And result will be there. But it is advisable that you finish it. Click on finish. So when you click on finish, it's showing saving. So when it's finished, it's going to see. This is what we're going to see. So it's showing me my scores that I scored 60%. All right, that I scored 60%. It even show me the time that I took. So I used 2 minutes to complete it, and I use per problem I use 12 seconds. All right, then it's showing me this is what is going to show. It depends, because most of the questions are in form of image. It's going to not, it's not going to display the question, but I will show you by the time we look at using phone, you see some other things there. All right, so this is the whole thing. The answer is what you can see in the parentheses, and the correct answer is the one you have beside. This is A. So that is that on that. Let me see if I should click on it. Will it show me? Okay, it's going to bring me to this question. All right. So, but I don't need it again. I'll just click on. I'll go back. So that is that on this. So I can move forward again. Move forward again. So I can hand it. So take me back to this place. I can check the question and check my answer. So this is the answer here. So that's what it's telling me. I can go back. I click on this. So you can check your answer and go back, and so that's it. But it has submitted like this. So that's it. So let's now go into how to make use of our phone to do it now. So that's the next thing. So let me switch to my phone now. All right, so this is my phone. I will just go straight to my WhatsApp. And so assuming we have, this is the group we have here. So, and it's on the group with this link. This is how the link will come for the test. You can see the topic there. So what I will do is that I'll click on it and you're going to see what is going to happen. So once I clicked it, let's leave it to come up. All right, it's coming up. All right, it's coming up. Yeah. So if you look at what we have here, you can see we have rotate to start. This is how it's going to show on your phone. Now what you're going to do to rotate it is very simple. You are going to bend your phone in a landscape format. I'm going to show something like that will display that now. So when you bend it, I'm going to bend it now and it's going to rotate. So once I bend, no, before that, you come down here, you come to your phone, you swipe down. As you can see, you change it to rotate. You know, I've changed my phone this into rotate. I will now swipe off, then I'll bend my phone. So once I bent it, it's going to come up with this one. So it's going to show the list of students. So I'm just using that as a test. So you can see my name is Karim Yakub. So the first name is the first name that you're going to see, then followed by your name. So just scroll down. You can scroll when the number of students are many, you're going to just scroll up so that you can see your name. You click on it. Once I click on it, it will ask me to put password. Don't click on I have all these password there. So I just put in the password I've created now. So if you put the wrong password, it will not generate. All right, I think this is the password I used, if I'm not mistaken. So I'll click on OK and see if it's going to go. It's not going. If it's not going, incorrect password, you can see. So let me check the password I created for it. Coming this class, okay. Okay, I've seen it. Okay, I think I did not add something there. Okay, so it's going to go now. I'll click on. Still incorrect. Okay. 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 I've seen something. Okay, something is wrong there. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, you can see that it's correct now. So it's going to bring up the question. Don't, if you can like to save your password, depends. So this is what you're going to have. So you can see it will take you directly to the question. Now, after that, you can see I said something when I was explaining using the laptop. It can you cannot see the timer, so it will not display the time for you. So you just start. You start. Let me just start anyhow and see. I'll just pick question randomly and see if I'm going to get some correctly. So I finished it, just 5 questions. I'll click on finish. So it's going to save and it's coming up. Let's just wait for it to bring out our results. Here. So you can see what I said the other time. I got to as one question here, 20%. So you can see it will show your answer in parentheses and the correct answer. That is your answer, the answer you chose is the one you have in the bracket, while the correct answer is the one you have beside it, right? And the question is there. Can you see the question? So that is how it will display your result for you. So that is that on that. I hope this is very clear. So if you still have any question, please just don't forget what I said about rotating the phone. So just look at that. So let's end this video here. So that is all about the whole process of this program. So thank you for your time. All right. All right. You welcome back. As you can see, we have finished the whole thing now. We've learned how to use our phone, our laptop. We've learned how to make use of the email or quiz link to access the quiz. So, and that is what we have for you in this video. So, I want to say happy learning and I wish you all the best. So, we're going to meet tomorrow and begin our class. So, please just get prepared. Tomorrow morning, we're going to send the first set of videos and the link. So, thank you so much for your time and bye for now. All right.